Welcome, and we are going to speak about adjusting cell height and width. So take an example of I don't like the space before the 8000 digit. How to minimize on that space is just go to the column. If you want to adjust the column width, go to the column, then move your cursor to one end, opposite end of where you want to adjust it to. That's at least easier for me. When you go to that end, just click and drag. Okay, I want to drag it somewhere there. It's going to show me the hash symbol, because that's how Excel shows you that the digits, the values in that cell is overset. You need to adjust the cell width or height for you to see it. Okay, so that's one way, and there's another way of not another way. Also, it's the same for adjusting the row height. So for column is width, for rows it's height. So let's say I want to move it up. You see, it's row number 10 is smaller in height compared to water. Okay, so that's one way of adjusting it. The second way, if I want to restore the cell height or for it to fit perfectly to what it was before, I'll just double click, take it to the end of the cell, just double click, and it's going to restore it or accommodate all the content in the largest cell. It's not going to use the smallest value cell, but the largest. Example, 8000 to 293 is of course having more digits compared to 673. So if I double click here, it's going to accommodate the 8000. So two ways we found. One is double clicking to restore or to accommodate all the values. The largest, accommodate all the values by accommodating the largest cell content or the longest cell content, and the other way is clicking and dragging. Okay, so those are the two ways of adjusting cell height and width. See you, and I hope you'll still remember that the way to know in Excel that overset data is being shown is just by looking at the hash symbols. Okay, it will show you all the cells. If you overdo, just do this, double click, it will fit perfectly. See you in the next tutorial, where we're going to talk about hiding and hiding columns and rows. See you then. Bye.